Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery. Today I have a small yarn haul from the Yarn Whisperer, who is on Instagram, and he is based here in the UK. So I'm hoping my goal for this year is, well, one of the things I would like to do is support a lot of the UK dyers, seeing as I live in the UK, guys. And I'm getting to know a lot more UK dyers. So let's open the package. Thank you for your order. Happy New Year from Kitty. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Happy New Year to you too. And this is one of a kind yarn, and you'll understand why I got it, because you know I love my autumn colours. Look at that. That is massive. One of a kind. And this is the Yarn Whisperer. And I'll put his link to his website. It's one of a kind tobacco and mustard. Look at the colours on that, guys. Look at the colours on that. Isn't that gorgeous? It is 100% Guernsey. It's a sport weight, guys. 1,250 meters approximately, 500 grams. See what I need to see the website for washing, but this, I've never had Guernsey yarn before, so this is beautiful. Look how squishy that is. Look at the colours on that. That will make, I don't even begin to know, maybe a nice sweater or a nice vest or a tunic. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm loving the colours on that. So it came all wrapped nicely in some tissue paper. And then, what else did I get? I got Farnham, which is down south, which is a bit too far for me to go. Telling me about a yarn festival. And then Waltham Abbey Wool Show, and this is 15th of January, so I'll definitely miss that. And then this is the other package that I got. Let's see what I got this time with this one. Again, nicely wrapped in tissue paper, which I do appreciate it. Oh, Dreamcatcher. Whoops. It's got all these little tissues. And this is Dreamcatcher Corriedale sock yarn. 80-20. So it's 80 Corriedale, 20% nylon, 100 grams, 400 meters. Look at the colours on that. They're both the same Dreamcatcher. Can you see the colours? Let me just move this down a bit and you can see the colours. Look at them colours. Aren't they gorgeous? Aren't they gorgeous? So I'm not sure whether these will be socks, but is it Kitty or Kitty? Thank you. I really love them, and I am going to have to find a really nice pattern for this. If anybody's got any suggestions on what I could make with these, not necessarily socks, because I've got 800 meters with this, so maybe that'll make a nice shawl. Or this, what could I make with this? This 500 grams. So what do you think, guys? So thank you, Yarn Whisperer. And check him out on YouTube, guys. He's hilarious. He's really funny, and he's got lots of things going on his website as well, so please do check him out. So thank you. Take care, everybody. Stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as they always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye for now.